Yeah, this is
Can you?
pretty old version, 2010 version.
Yeah, I can see that. Mm-mm.
But I have worked earlier with the different data sets.
Is it
I
different?
with lots of formulas and all, but not with Flash. What you have taught today, but not those, but
Okay.
the other normal, the regular average functions, deity, or
Hmm.
all that stuff.
No, no, it
I was
might
there.
be it might be like flash fill might be launched after 2010 after this version got
Mm-hmm.
launched. Maybe that is the
Okay.
reason. But you can do one thing. I'm suspecting that there might be one more issue that I might be using some formulas on this sheet which is not working in your case because you are using previous version. That's why you are getting activation failed. So I
Okay.
could also suggest you the same thing that just upgrade your Excel version, install the newest version, and then try it. If it is still not working, then we'll look into it. But
Sure.
it is not anything related to the data. You're doing everything correct. It is related to the settings of your Excel.
Right, right,
Okay.
right,
So
right.
just try to
Okay.
upgrade your version. If it is still not working, then let me know in the next session.
Yeah,
Sure.
correct. So
Thank you so much.
Flash Fill is from 2013 version.
Okay, okay. Then that is the case.
Okay.
90%
Yeah.
that is the issue. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Any other
Sure.
question?
There's a
Anyone?
validation and all. It worked. The data validation, which you said,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
That worked. I
Maybe
did that
that is the issue.
practice.
Maybe I think that is the issue that
Okay.
version different. Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Just try it out. Let me know if it works in the next session.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Any other question? Anyone else? Any other doubt? Okay, I hope everyone is filling that form, which is feedback form. If not, just fill it. It will not take more than 2 minutes. It's a very good thing. Whatever you feel regarding the session, if you're feeling something positive, fill it there. If you're facing some negative issues, put it there so that the organization can be informed that what is happening and is there any uncomfortable things or is there any comfortable things. So just convey that. Okay. Okay then.
Yeah,
Uh, okay, okay. So we can wrap up. If there is no issues, let's meet on next Saturday at 7 o'clock again. Okay?
yeah,
Okay,
sure.
thank you so much.
Okay then. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for your time and
Right.
session.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye, everyone.